nighttime. I think I'm gonna call Marge to go to bed. Marge, it's bedtime. Come on, let's go to bed.
Mommy, please, can we go for dinner tonight?
Oh, but you just ate dinner yesterday at night in a new restaurant, and you felt a little sick, so. But today we're gonna be having marshmallows and s'nores. Yummy marshmallows and s'nores it is. Yep, here you go, your snore, and I am while that time going to eat my marshmallow.
This is so tasty, Mother.
I know, right, Marge? Well, I gotta eat mine too. So I'm gonna eat my s'more. I love s'mores. Wait, that was such a quick night.
I know, right, Mommy? Well, I think so today I'll be having school.
Well, okay. That's just weird. Well, I'm gonna just go take you to school. I don't know what to do about that. Well, I'm just gonna go leave my pirate ship there and come back for it soon. Well, right now you're thirsty. Here goes some water.
Oh, yes, water, my favorite. Does it have the new powder in it?
Yes, I added it. I wonder why. Was the night so short? Like, the night was supposed to be like almost so many hours till morning time, but I guess it's time for school. I'll get coffee later after school when I do that. Well, I want you to be good at school, Marge, and tell me whatever happened there, because I'm not feeling good about this thing. Oh, wait. Ooh, what is that? I'm so creeped out. Why does everybody look so suspicious like they're zombies? My gosh. This is such a big zombie. I am speechless. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, that big giant zombie cannot enter the school for sure. Oh no. Why is my pet sick now? Did my pet get infected? Oh my gosh.
Mommy, I feel fine. Just take me to school.
You do not sound good too, Marge. We gotta take you to the vet. I don't think so you're gonna be able to do school today.
Oh, man.
Well, it's fine. I think so. You're gonna get a quick checkup. When the doctor's here, call me. Okay, well, I think I can make you feel better with some medicine. Okay, just add that potion to you, and you're almost ready. Just need a little bit more, and done. Well, you can go to school now.
Yay, I can go to school. Wow, that's such a quick checkup.
I know, it only took 100 seconds. I went to medical school and adopt me. So, yeah. The big giant zombie is also here. Well, don't worry, Marge. The pet trainer Shane has my phone number, so whenever you need me, you can call pet trainer Shane to call me.
Okay, Mommy.
Well, you be good at school, and I hope you have a good day. And the lunch is there only, so which color bread do you want to sleep in? This one. Okay. The black one. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to even do. Everybody's looking like zombies. What if I get close to the zombie? I don't know what to do. Everybody's almost like chasing me. Oh my gosh, there's another zombie right over there. I don't know what to do. This is so bad. Oh my gosh. Why is there no one on the ship? this is so creepy. Everybody used to be on the ships. Ugh, my gosh. I gotta calm down, I guess. I'm just gonna go get some pizza. What if the whole adopt me has turned into zombies? And what if they chase me? I'm a real human. They're zombies, but zombies are kind of like humans, but they're mean. I'm just gonna make some pizza with no pepperoni on it. Chef Ramsay, why did you put on such a creepy music? Ow. I put on this creepy music to scare you. I thought you were nice, Chef Ramsay. Oh my gosh, I gotta eat my pizza somewhere else. That sound was too creepy. Well, where do I even sit? I guess I'll eat my pizza at the park. I mean, everybody loves eating pizza at the park. And nobody's here. That's so creepy. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna be having to make a metal detector so that I can find out who are zombies or not. Like, there's creepy things happening around me, which are creeping me out so much. And yeah, I don't know. It just does not feel good. Oh my gosh, I don't have any wiggle and everybody's gonna chase me so bad. Oh my gosh, somebody's chasing me. Oh my gosh, I gotta go away. Yeah, it's a zombie again. I feel so worried about March. I don't know if he's having a good day at school or not. Oh no. I feel like I should go on this way. Well, it is totally a really long walk. Well, anybody at the water park? Well, everybody likes the water park a lot. Nobody's there. Oh my god, so creepy. Oh my goodness. I don't know what is going on. Oh my god, is that another zombie peasant? Oh my gosh, I just barely gotta hide here, I guess so. Another zombie's on top of that tree. I barely can see it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta be brave. I gotta make a run for it. It's night. And this time I gotta pick up. Oh my gosh. The big giant zombie's looking at me. Go into school, go into school. I think so. I'm gonna be having to sleep in this school too. I don't know how. So many zombies are here. I do not like this. Go. Oh my gosh, I gotta stand on top of a tree. Oh my gosh, no time. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That's another zombie. Where is my child? Marge, it's not safe here. Another zombie. I just bumped into it. No.
Mommy, there's so many zombies going on!
I know, Marge, do not scream. Mommy's here with you. Panda Queen Zombie. Oh my gosh, she's going the way where I'm going. Oh my gosh, that's so creepy. Oh my gosh. We gotta go fast home. We cannot miss our home or just lose it. Hope the zombies did not eat it. Oh no, wait, I think so. I left my door unlocked. Not locked. I left my door unlocked. How stupid I am. No, there's so many. Hope my friend did not turn into a zombie. Oh my gosh. Okay, lock the door fast. I gotta be careful. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm taking March with me, but I do not want to risk his life. Anybody in the ocean's room? Oh my gosh. I gotta be brave. I can fight these zombies. Anybody in my room? Not there. Okay, Marge. Here you go, your dinner. A donut, a strawberry one. Your favorite flavor. I'm gonna go look around. Nobody's in the wishing well room. Nobody's in the guest bedroom either. I don't know what to do. I feel like I did such a bad thing. I could barely imagine losing my pets. And yeah, I'm so weird right now. I'm just gonna go and join these pets together. Okay, Red Panda, have a good night in the guest bedroom. Wait, there's a no right away. What does it say? Wait, I am just going to go in my dress up. I think I heard something. Wait, there's a paper hat. What does it say?
Hello there, I am Zombie Mr. Try. Today I'm coming for your
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That was such a creepy voice from the note, and it said what it said. I'm so frustrated right now. Oh my gosh! The door closed. Oh my gosh! I'm so scared. Okay, wait. I'm gonna try this again. One of the door opens. Wait. Just gonna go here. I'm so creeped out on my house also. I just want to hold March tight. He needs his life too. Okay, let's see now. If a door is opened. Oh, that was glitchy. Oh my gosh. Anybody here? It's so creepy. I just feel like this whole day is not gonna be bad. Ah! The door opens so creepily. I don't feel good in my pirate house again. And there's gold. I barely did not even ask gold. I'm gonna wipe this note off. This not needed. I'm just gonna stack these up. Okay, just gonna put that there. Okay. You know what? I was a neurologist. So I'm just gonna go get my nurse's outfit on. And I'm gonna go make people feel better of their own. Because they need to. And I'm gonna dress up like a doctor. I just put on my doctor tail. Okay, anything else? Do I need it? I don't know. Okay, well, I do need a mask, kind of. Because I'm gonna be going to an hospital. Yes, this is the mask I need. Or, yeah, this one. Okay. Let's change your name to Doctor. I'm keeping the Ash Army with me. So I gotta go to the hospital. Okay, March. Stay here at home. I'm gonna be back soon, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Oh my gosh. This is so stressful today. I don't know what is going on with people these days. Okay, well, I do need more protection than this. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Wait, I barely did not even notice that one, people gave me angel clothes. Okay. I did not need to be like this. No. Okay. Just gotta calm down. It's all gonna be fine. One piece chasing me. Just want to find something. My pirate hat won't do anything. I don't know what to do. Yes, and I know what is going on. I need this. And I am going to put on my cap on. This kind of cap. No. Oh my gosh, I'm getting struggle while dressing up all the time. Okay. I'm ready now. This is what I'm going to wear as a doctor. I gotta become I'm gonna put on a worried face because I am worried of the Japanese world. Oh my gosh, I gotta go as fast as I can. At least I have a mask on. I'm safe and sound. I wish I had some gloves too. That would be such a good option. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Look at this bike. They left their buddy with them. Oh my gosh. There is another zombie right over there. Okay. I guess I gotta go with the zombies of the sky castle. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so scary. Okay. I'm coming in. I'm just gonna sit at the very back. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna hold some water. I hope this does not fall. I need to make a cure potion so that people do not, start being so mean. Start being so zombie addicted. Okay, we're going. I could have not sat at the edge. This is so scary. Taking rides with zombies. I don't think so. That's a human would do. Ah, get your Shiwu Inu away from me! Sorry for saying that, but yeah, get it away. I know that the zombies Shiba Inu. And it must be affected too. Okay, I'm gonna buy some cure potions. Just need 2 of these. No, I did not mean to drink one, but it's gonna make me more faster. Okay. Oh my gosh, where's the exit? You know what? I'm gonna go in the jumpy jump. No, hope the ship is still there. Hope so not. I mean, hope so it's there. No, it's going back. Okay, I better be ready. Oh my gosh, that was so creepy. Oh my gosh, I left my red panda at home, so that's good. Okay, it's time to go make the cure. Nurse Nee.
Hello there, Lucy. Why are you dressed up like that?
I want to take an admission here as a doctor.
Okay, Dr. Hart will tell you what to do. Well, she must be infected right now. Be careful, please. I've been waving around and I hid it behind this tree behind me so the zombie couldn't find me.
Okay, I'll be extra careful while going to Dr. Hart. Oh my gosh, Dr. Hart is literally right over there.
Come here, please.
Dr. Hart, are you infected?
Infected by what?
You sound so creepy. And why are these cages here? Would you trap pets?
I would throw them in the dustbin, huh? I need them.
Ew, that's so gross. Nurse me. Dr. Hurt is not doing a right job of me.
Oh, that's bad. I don't know what to do about that. Maybe we have a solution at our Dr. Hart's room.
Okay, it should work. Okay, gotta grab a few of these, and I'm gonna mix all these potions together. You know what? I'm gonna grab a lot of these and cure people with these. I feel like we can cure. Take some golden healing apples. Okay. I cannot get any more of these. Dang it. Okay, I think I got enough. I'm gonna get a glass of water and try the solution. Okay, so I feel like the solution desk is here. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, gotta go right over here, make the solution. So first, I'm gonna go get out the potion and then add the cure. Yes, I made a cure potion and a cure apple. Now it's time to give these apples to the zombies. Okay. Where is that big giant zombie again? Okay, here we go. Oh my god, there's so many zombies chasing me. Okay, Jacob, you are so little. Why would you be infected? Okay, here you go, the healing apple. Oh my gosh, this girl is running away from me. No, I did not mean to trade. Just gotta stop there, okay? She got the cure. Oh my gosh, that's a big giant penguin there. Okay. That was so scary. Oh my gosh. So scary. Okay. Here goes a healing apple. Okay. This person is enjoying zombie lemonade. Ew. They would enjoy that much, kind of like zombie lemonade. Here you go, everybody. A cure of the potion of us. Okay. Oh my gosh. Their baby also must be infected. Okay, gotta give everybody one. In this whole server. Okay. Here you go, eating healing apple too. Oh my gosh. That's a really creepy zombies. Oh my gosh. I'd be so scared. This guy is such a tiny person. I'm gonna just give everybody healing apples. Oh, that's a new guy. But he's still so fast at running. Okay, that's much better. Here we go. That's better. Oh my gosh. I barely did not even get this girl one. Okay, there we go. More people are coming through the tunnel. Everybody's gonna be cured. Finally. This person looks really bad. So I'm gonna give him the potion. Because he is mean. I'm so scared. We only have 30 minutes to submit this. Okay. Oh, or else the gosh. Come on. Oh my gosh. Whole people are not in my house. Gosh. So guys, that was that of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Push the notification bell to get my videos every single day. Bye.